When adding or subtracting fractions, the first thing you ask yourself is if there's a common denominator. Both denominators the same number, and in this problem they aren't the same. We have a 3 and a 6. So our task then becomes to find a common denominator. So look at the larger number, the 6. Is the 6, can the 3, the other number, go into the 6 evenly? And it can. So that means that 6 is our common denominator. I'm going to rewrite this problem with 6 as the common denominator. And the second number, the 1, 6, can actually just be written into the problem like that. We don't need to do anything else to it. The first number, the 2/3, now becomes an equivalent fraction problem. So we have to write 2/3 as a fraction with a denominator of 6. So we're going to take the 3 and multiply it times 2, which would have been 6, and then whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. The other way to do it would have been to multiply 2 times 6, this way, divide by the 3, and that would have given us a 4 as well. Whichever method you use, 4 becomes the new numerator. So 2/3 becomes 4 sixths. Now we have common denominators, so we can move the denominator over and add the numerators. 4 plus 1 is 5. And that gives us an answer of 5/6, which doesn't need to be simplified. Let's try this again on another problem. This problem is 2/3 plus 1/5. Again, no common denominator, so we need to find a common denominator. Look at the big number, it's a 5. Can 3 go into 5 evenly? And the answer is no, it can't. So now we're going to start looking for numbers that both 5 and 3 can go into. We'll start, we know 5 didn't work. Let's try 10, another factor of 5. 3 cannot go into 10 evenly. The next number is 15. 3 can't go in there. The next number is 15. Well, both 5 and 3 can go into 15. So that makes 15 our common denominator. So we're going to rewrite our problem with 15 as the denominator. Now we have two equivalent fraction problems to solve for. So 2/3 is equal to something over 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5, because whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top, is 10. So the first fraction is 10/15. The second fraction, 1/5, is equal to something over 15. It's 5 times 3, so 1 times 3 is equal to 3. That becomes 3/15. 10 plus 3 is 13. Bring the denominator over, so our answer is 13/15. And that problem can't be simplified, so we're all done.